Alright, refrigerator repair documentary. We've got a Frigidaire. I don't recall the model number, but it's one of these French door ones. And it just stopped working one day. And I bought one of these motherboards to try and resurrect it. So hopefully it'll work. Alright, make sure it's not plugged. It's not plugged in. Got this board from Arizona. I'll put a link. If it works out, I'll put a link to the company down in the descriptions below. I was looking at different, been shopping around for a new fridge, and they are expensive. There we go. All right, let's plug her in. Hopefully it'll work. Oh, thank God. It's a miracle. All right. So that's how you fix expensive refrigerators. All right, I'll put the link to the company below. It came in really quickly, and really appreciate these guys. I hope this video helps you. Good luck.